Hello everyone. The topic for today's video lecture is group by and order by of MySQL. So let's see the group by clause first. Group by statement in SQL is used to combine the identical data into groups with help of certain functions. That is, if a particular column has same value in different rows, then it will arrange these rows in a group. Important points to remember while handling group by. Group by clause is used with select statement. In the query, group by clause is placed after the where clause, and if order by clause is used in the query, group by is placed before the order by clause. Let's consider the employee table for doing the group by queries practically. Now, if you have to display the number of employees department wise, so what we need to write? So for this we need to use group by clause. Whenever there is a wise word in your query like department wise, grade wise or class wise, you always have to remember that you have to use group by clause. So here you will be writing select department, comma, you have to count the number of employees, so you have to use count. You can write either name or star from employee, and as there is no where clause, so you can write group by after this, group by department. So you will get the number of employees. In IT department there are 3 employees, in HR there are 3, in finance 1, and in accounts 2. You can also display the employee count grade wise or on the basis of grade. So for this, instead of department we will be writing grade. So here the department will be replaced with the word grade, and in group by also you have to replace it, and then you will get the number of employees grade wise. So in grade A you have 5 employees, in B you have 3, and in C you have 1. Now you can also place certain conditions on these groups, and this can be done by having clause. When we have single rows to handle, we generally use where clause for imposing a condition, but whenever we are using group by clause, your where clause will not work on groups. Only having clause can work on groups for placing conditions. If I want to know the department which has more than 2 employees, for that I will be writing the same query to print the number of employees per department, and in that I will just write after group by having. So the number is stated by count star, so count star greater than 2. So if I want to know which department has more than 2 employees, so if by this count you want to see, the answer would be IT and HR. So you can see the answer is IT and HR. The same way, if I want to find the number of or I want to know which grade has more than 5 employees or less than 3 employees, so which grade has less than 3 employees, so I can just impose a condition here on this query, having count star less than, you can say 3, so you will get C as less than 3. Now let's see how to order record in a result. This can be done by order by clause. Results generated by select statement is not ordered in any form by default. If you want to sort or order the result set, you can use order by clause. So order by clause is always used after where. So you will write select the name of the column, from the name of the table, where the condition whatever you want to impose, and then the order by clause and the name of the column. Now let's see how to use order by clause. So if you want to print the name of the employees along with the data on the basis of grade, So we will be writing select star from employee order by grade. This will produce the result in ascending order of grade. For results in descending order, you need to write DESC in the query. Ordering data on multiple columns. So if you want to order data on more than one columns, you will be using this method. Now for this, you need to write the ordering of your columns one after another by a comma separation. Like for example, if you want to sort the employee on department wise and after department on grade wise, you can write it like this. So if you want department wise ascending order and grade descending order. So here you can see that your data is sorted department wise. So you are having accounts first, then finance, then HR and IT. That is alphabetically. But here you are doing it within accounts department, you are doing it with this descending order. That's why the grade C is coming before grade A. Here B, okay, and then A, right? So within department it is sorting descending, and when you talk about department it is sorting in ascending. Ordering data on basis of expression. So order by clause can be used for including the mathematical expression to order the data. So here is the example. Select star from employee, order by department ascending, and the 10% of salary on the basis of descending order. We can also use the same thing as first the column as bonus while printing, and then that bonus can be used further as a column for ordering the data. So let's see the result of the query. So name is there and bonus is printed. Now within accounts you can see the bonus is in descending order. In HR there are 3 bonus and that is into descending order. So this way we can work on order by clause. Now the next method for the order by clause is also to define a custom order. That means you want in the order as prescribed or as specified by the user. It is not on ascending order of alphabets or numbers or descending order of alphabets or numbers. So this is on the own specification. So if I want to print the employee database on the specified order, like for example I want first the names of the IT department employee should be printed, then HR, then accounts and then finance. For that we need to write select star from employee, order by, and then we need to write the word field. After field you need to write the name of the column on which the specified custom sort is to be done. After that comma and the custom sorting serial. Like first I want the IT department, then the HR, then accounts and then finance. So we will be placing that in the same order. Once we have done, we have got this result of the query. You will be getting first all the employees of IT department, then HR, then accounts and lastly finance. Let's use order by clause practically. So for that we will be using the employee table. So if this is the employee table and you want to work on it, so I want to print the name of the employees sorted according to their salary. So for that I will be writing select name comma salary from employee order by salary. So we are getting the sorted order of employee's name on the basis of salary. It can also be done via descending order. So I will be writing DESC and the name of the employee exists after the sorting in descending manner. Now we will see how to sort on multiple columns. So if I have this, so I have sorted this in salaries descending order, and I can also print department and sort the department in ascending order. So first let me sort it on department basis and then on salary basis. So department ASC comma salary DESC. So if I write like this, you can see I have the departments, and within department the salary is sorted in descending order. So I can also sort it in ascending order. So you can see the difference. Okay, within the groups again the sorting can be done. Now we can also sort data on the basis of expression. Like for example, I want to have 10% donation campaign for COVID-19. So I just want to sort that which employee had given the maximum donation or something like that. So for that I will be writing it like this. And here instead of salary, I will just write 10% of salary. So 0.01 into salary as donation. So this is donation and the department. And here I'll be ordering donation wise, right? Donations. So if I write this, I will. So in accounts again donation is ascending order. So this way you can use also the value on the basis of expression. I could have also used it like this. That is, instead of this I could have used 0.01 into salary and then done it this way, and that way the salary was printed but it is sorted on the basis of the donation value. Now usually we sort on ascending or descending order, and that takes your numeric value smaller to larger, or the character value from A to D for the ascending and from D to A for descending. So if I want it in custom order, that is the order should be specified by the user, how we can do that. So for that we just need to write select star from employee order by, and then you need to write the word called field, okay, within bracket the column that you want to sort, or on the column on which the sorted value is to be displayed. So I want that it should be displayed on department, and which value should come first. So I want IT to come first, and then HR, then accounts, okay, and then finance. So I will get the value on the basis. So first IT is there, then HR, then accounts, and then finance. That's all with the order by clause. Hope you liked the video and have understood each and every topic. Thanks for watching.